Let's say you deposit $10 on your trading account. How would you be able to trade that? This is a $10 account here. This is a $10 account, balance $10. How are we going to trade this $10 account so that you can be able to scale it to grow even to $100, $200, $1,000? Now, I want you to pay attention to two steps that I will share with you so that you understand in a more simpler way. Step number one, not step number one, step number three. It is step number three. Step number three and step number four. Now, on our journey to understanding how we trade Forex, we have to understand step number three and step number four, which is very important. Step number three, we are talking about risk management. How we manage risk. Step number four, analysis. Now, this is simple and easy. So pay attention. How we're going to trade the $10, we'll have to focus on risk management. Risk management, it is simple and easy. All that we're looking for or to extract or have on risk management is risk to reward ratio, which what we are looking for is 1:4. So whatever that we're going to be trading, if we are risking $1, at least we have to profit what? $4. This is our risk to reward ratio. Now we need to take this risk to reward ratio to apply it on our analysis, where we're going to apply or align it so that we can have 1:4. It is simple. We first have to understand what we have to understand the asset that we have to trade, because there's some assets which are bad, some assets which are best. Now, if you look here, all right, this is our mobile phone. All right, you go to codes. These are the assets that we have. So I will pick only the best asset. I know some of you are familiar with Forex. For me, I mostly trade these synthetic indexes. I also trade stocks, commodity. Commodity, we are referring to the XAUUSD. If you press the price over here, you'll be able to see these folders of these assets. All right, we have Forex, we have indices, we have metals, which are talking about the commodity. And now I can be able to add gold. And when I press plus here, that's how I add gold. We have also micro unit, right, which means you'll be trading the gold, which is in a better way for you to risk. I'm not sure if you understand, but if you do understand, just let me know in the comment section below. But this is another tutorial for which I'll share another tutorial for you to actually understand this XAUUSD macro. So make sure that you go to our YouTube app to get updates. All right, now if right now I'm trading this, I'll just go to chart. All right, remember we're looking for risk management 1:4, analysis, the time frame here, time frame that we can use, that I can recommend here. You can use 15M. All right, I trust you understand. And the structure that you're looking for is high and low, and this low is a low of the day and this high is a high of the day, which is HOD. It is simple and easy. So this is how we actually trade the market based on the Bozza strategy and Bozza way, so that you understand what you need to do to keep things simple and easy. When we shift to a higher time frame, we're still applying this for entries. All right, we're still applying this for entries. It's just that we go to H4, we go to daily, we go to weekly. So this is where we analyze what for the longest term. All right, we can also apply trend line for continuing market. I trust it makes sense for you. Now, how do we actually now manage this and manage this account, growing this account? You can see if we go to trade here, this is the $10 account that we have. But I want us to understand the numbers before we actually think of how do we trade this $10 account. Now, I've moved too far, all right, without making sure that you understand some of the things. Risk management, let's go a bit back so that you understand much better. You go to codes, all right, I scroll all the way down. I tap here once. I tap properties. If you're using an iPhone, you will go to details. Then you go to properties and you scroll down and make sure that we are using what the minimum lot size if you have this type of account. You apply what? Minimum lot size. Now, each and every asset has its own minimum lot size or minimum volume. So make sure that you actually check the asset that you'll be interested to trade. Now, 0.01 XAUUSD. This is the minimum volume lot size that I can be able to use. Simple and easy. Now I want to align everything together so that you understand how to take this to here so that we can be able to make money. We go back, we scroll all the way down, we tap here, we tap chart, and we press this. All right. Now I see 0.01 minimum lot size. So what I will do, I'll just tap here, go to M15, and I see this icon here, this space here. Some of you will not have it. So for me, let me just do like this. Let me just activate this. Let me activate it. Just make sure that I do it with you. Some of you will have like this. If you try to go like this, you won't be able to see the space. So what I'll do, I'll just tap and hold this and move it to the left. Then I have this space now where I can be able to do my magic and work. So what we'll do now, we'll have to apply what the 15M. Remember, our risk to reward ratio is 1:4. Start from 1:4. It can go 1:10, 1:20, depending on how we actually see the structure. Now, remember applying what 0.01. So I will actually what zoom out so that you can see what we are doing. I zoom out like this. What do I see? I see what? I see 0.1, 0.2. This shows us the higher for the day. And I see here in this area, this is the low for the day. So what I will do, I will use objects. Some of you are not familiar with objects. So there's another tutorial on our YouTube channel. So make sure that you go to YouTube. I shared it recently. So you watch the tutorial as to how to use those objects. It's that simple and easy. Now, what I will do, I'll just tap here, press horizontal line, and press it here, put it here. This shows me the low. And I'll press here, copy it, type here, move it above here. And then this shows me the high. So the difference between here and here is a lot. So what I will do, I will just now press sell. But it is actually what not a sell that is confirmed. So you need to make sure that you confirm the sell. All right. Now I'll just take a sell just to give you for you to understand what you need to do. So I will take a sell. Remember, lot size first. Adjust lot size first. Now that's the lot size that we have. We tap there. We see this. I tap SL and I see this. All right. You can see now the risk there is 29, which is the risk that I don't want to take. So what I'll do, I'll tap and hold, move it way below where I want to risk what? Where I want to risk $10. Just like that. I want to risk $10 there. You can see now my profit TP, I want to profit 40. So we put it here. This is a risk to reward ratio which is 1:4. But the risk to reward ratio now, it's way higher, which means I'm risking 10, I'm profiting 100. You can see now the risk to reward ratio is what? Is way higher. I trust you understand. Does it make sense? So I'm profiting way, because if right now you take this $100, divide it by the 10, you will get what? Let's do the calculations together so that we can be able to understand what you need to do. You say the 100 divide by 10, that will give you 10. The risk to reward ratio now is 1:10, which is way good. I trust you understand. So let's go back and open MT5. So now if I have to set this, all right, if I have to set it there, I'll set it like this, all right, just like that. And I'll go to 10 just like that. And then I'll click modify position and click modify position just like that. And now I've managed to set everything here. So if I go to trade, this is the trade that I took. Only one trade, not 5 trades, not 10 trades, because if I take 10 trades, then it will be 10 times what? 10 risk. So that will be equals to $100. So we don't want to be risking taking many trades. We just want to take only one trade. Do you understand? Do you have some questions? This is how you can be able to to manage growing a small account, just like trading a $10 account. We started from here, risk to reward ratio, and I've already shared a strategy that you can apply, and you can do that over and over and over and over again. And this is how you can be able to stay profitable trading Trading in this way. I trust you understand. So the risk management, risk to reward ratio is understanding that at least have a risk to reward ratio that is 1:4, not 1:2, because that will put you on a negative position. Reason why, if you trade on a monthly basis, let's say, a month, this is a month, right? We have 4 weeks on a month. then you'll be trading 10 times, just for example. If you're trading 10 times, let's say now something happened to your account. You win 5 trades and you lose 5 trades. I trust you understand. So now, if you win 5 trades, that will be what? That will be 5. If your risk to reward ratio is 1:2, this will actually put you on a negative. I trust you understand. So if right now you are risking 5 win, 5 what? 5 win, 1:2. That simply means that if you are risking $10, you are profiting what? $20. In a simple sense, for those who do not understand. Now, if you do take the 5 wins, 5 wins times 20, that will be what? That will be $100. So you'll make $100 by the wins. All right. Now, if you take the 5 wins, okay, the 5 losses times it by the 10. 10 times what? Times the 5 losses. That will be what? That will be equals to 50. So meaning that you will lose what? You will lose 50. So if you take 100 and minus 50, you'll be left with 50. So your net profit will be 50 for the month, which is way below. Which is what? Which is way below. Because on a monthly basis, if you take this 10 and you times it by what? By 10 trades. Because if right now you look at this 10, all right, these 10 chances of you trading, and you have to trade 10 times, because if you say 5 plus 5, it will be 10. So if you take the 10 times 10, that will be 100. So you need $100 for you to actually trade for the month. And now, if right now this 100, you lose what? You lose the 50, all right? Out of this 100, you lose 50, and you also make what? You also make 50, which is actually way below how much money you can be. Way below for you to scale. Like, it's not actually something that you can actually make something out of, you know. So it's better to have a risk to reward ratio that is 1:4. Even 1:3 is better, not bad, right? But 1:4 is a minimum. That is better when it comes to what? Trading. In this way, growing a $10 account and be able to managing it. So I trust you understand. If you have any questions, you will let me know. So this is how you can be able to actually what? Grow your account, a small $10 account, by understanding, not just by seeing profit here and jumping to close that profit. Once you see profit like this, what you can do, if you go to chart, you can now log, right? You can log profit. Let's say you want to log, you see how I've managed to log profit. You tap here, you move it here. For those who need to learn more about how to log profit, we have another tutorial as to how you log profit. You have to put it here on break even, so that you can actually what? Secure whatever that you have here, and then you can click modify, which means if right now the graph turns back here, you will only take a profit of 1:68, or $1.68. So this way it keeps you more protected and growing your account, scaling it. So if you understand this, this is our step number 3 and step number 4. It's that simple. So I trust you understand the time frame, 15M time frame. This is a strategy that I'm giving you. I'm not sure what strategy you'll be applying, but whatever strategy you will be applying, just make sure that at least it can be able to apply this, so that it can actually keep you on a safe level, so that you can be able to multiply the money and grow the account. So I trust you understand. And if you like to join our WhatsApp group for market direction, daily market direction, what you can do also, for those who don't have a trading account, you can come to our YouTube channel, subscribe, and watch the recent video that I uploaded. You can press here and use this broker that we're using, and the other brokers that we're using for trading Forex. This is for trading synthetic indexes and trading the commodity, just like the gold. You can also visit our website, all right, our website, whereby you'll be able to get our WhatsApp group links for you to join our market directions. You scroll the way down. Scroll the way down, you see group 2, group 1. You can join this group so that you can be able to get market directions. And also, you can, this is our market direction group, all right. I share many, more information here, so let's make sure that you do that. I love you all. Stay blessed.